If you're a woman who's really bored and wants to do something with her time that isn't doom scrolling, then here are 10 hobby ideas for you to invest in to build a high value life. Before we start, I have a piece of advice for you. Out of the 10 hobbies that I list, do not pick like 10 things to try at once. Just pick one single hobby to invest your time, money, and energy in to reap full results. If you pick more than one, then chances are you will get burnt out and just give up. At number one, we have a high stamina sport, be it tennis, badminton, swimming, or even running. Anything that builds your cardiovascular health, keeps you agile, and just teaches you to not give up when every inch of your body wants to just stop and go to sleep. At number two, we have strength training. This is my personal favorite because I personally do this a lot. I believe every woman out there should lift. I don't care if you're 30, 20, 50, you should lift. It's not only going to make you look toned, it's also going to increase your bone density. It helps improve your posture and it's going to make you feel really good about yourself. At number three, you can learn a new language for free on Duolingo. This is the app I personally use. You can also find other apps that provide language learning courses for free. I personally use Duolingo and it's a very fun habit to build. And even if you do not end up learning a whole new language because that takes some serious dedication and work, you can still pick up some pretty cool phrases. Before I have content creation, this is what personally I do and I love it. I believe this channel has made me a better person. I feel like a better person when I'm creating content. And content creation can teach you a lot. It does not have to be YouTube, it can be Instagram. If you're not comfortable with like MP4 form, start a podcast, go MP3. Or if you want to go 2D, go blogging. Do whatever floats your boat. Like just keep yourself happy. At number five, we have specialty cooking or baking. You can try baking something from like scratch and gift it to your family members or friends, or you can try mastering a particular cuisine, may it be Indian, Italian, Mediterranean, anything that you want. Or you can completely focus on trying to make high protein, low calorie recipes to just feed yourself. Number six, we have another one of my personal favorites. It is reading. Develop a habit of reading things. You do not have to go straight jump into a non-fictional book. You can try reading magazines if you like books with pictures in them. You could read posts on Substack or you can just go through news articles. My advice to anyone who's looking to start their reading journey is to start with a fictional book. Be it be a thriller or a romance, start with a fictional book. I have this Instagram page which gives out monthly book recommendations, starting from fiction to non-fiction, everything. So you can check that out. Number seven, we have skincare. I believe any high value woman should take care of herself. Taking care of yourself can often be neglected when you're preoccupied with like career, family, other problems. But you can't pour from an empty cup, right? So I believe you should take the time to experiment and learn about your skin type because everyone's skin and body is different and it responds differently to the very same products. So I can't just blindly name products and do not just fall for marketing. Actually research about the ingredients that goes into your products before you buy them and use them, and always consult a dermatologist if you want like good healthy skin. And also be careful of what you're putting inside your body. And please remember to drink water. This is something I struggle with. I still struggle with drinking like enough water. At number 8, this is gonna be controversial, but I think you should pick a niche interest. Like I would say like I can recommend like try something that intrigues you. Maybe you could learn how to do a tarot reading. It's not something I particularly deeply believe in, but I think it's very interesting and I do like to watch a couple of videos here and there. You should pick something that you personally you are interested in. Let's say it could be board games like chess, or it could be tarot reading, or learning about politics. At number 10, we have a very important one. It's financial literacy. As a woman, you cannot leave your finances completely up to a man. Like, even if someone else is a breadwinner in your family, you should have a sense of what is a bank account, what is a credit card, what is a debit card, and how to use your money for yourself. You don't need to become like a CA. You just need to learn the basics of the finance world, because I believe finance is also like a very basic life skill, just like cooking and like learning how to drive. At number 10, we have hiking or training for an outdoor activity. I believe in this world, current world, we are all addicted to our phones, me included, and we rarely go outside. We go outside, but where do we go? We go outside to a cafe, to a restaurant, to a mall. We get out of the house to get inside another one. So what I'm saying is like train for an outdoor hike or trek. It will force you out of your comfort zone, build insane mental resilience, and it's going to be a fun story to tell to your future kids. I don't want to say kids, but yeah, whatever. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for those of you sticking to the very end, I'm going to give you a bonus, of course, because I love you guys so much. So my bonus is, I would say, invest in your friends. I think this is very important. I believe friendships or any relationships that you have, be it with yourself, your parents, or your friends, or whoever, every relationship requires investment, not just in terms of like the love that you receive and you give, but also in terms of like money, time, because it just simply does. So I believe in amidst of all of this, you should not neglect your friends, your family, because it can be very lonely at the top. You do not want to be at the top alone. It's not worth it. You want to be with friends, with people, because after all, humans are social beings. So you would need that, right? I hope you found this video insightful, I would say, and informative. And I hope you had fun. And I had fun making it. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.